Hello YouTube, we got an unboxing today. So let's get this thing going. This is my new chrome tips for the car. They're in black chrome. I'm going to change up the look of the car a little bit. Because the original chrome tips that's on the car, they got scratched up when they was towed. So, since the car is black and white, I'm going to keep the scheme going with the tips. Roll tip. It's black on the inside and out, stainless steel. So it should last for a while. Now let's check out the other tip and see if there's any damage to it. This is the second tip. It's in really good shape. No damage. No nicks. Put it inside and out. Now that I got the unboxing out of the way, I'm going to make a little announcement, a little update on Frankenstein. As you know, it's been in the shop for almost on and off for about the past week and a half, almost 2 weeks. Had an issue with the PAT's security system on it. Well, I got a call from the shop. It is finally fixed. The problem is fixed. I'm picking the car up in the morning. And the first thing I'm going to do, first thing in the morning, as soon as the muffler shop open, these are being put on. I'm also going to put on the wing that I bought from the 2015 Mustang GT. That's going on to the Frankenstein also. So it's going to be a busy day for me tomorrow. Expect videos up to upgrades tomorrow morning, or maybe tomorrow afternoon, depending on how long it takes to put everything on. And that's it. Thank you for checking out this video this late at night. If you haven't yet, subscribe, and you'll be the first to see all the new updates on all my project cars now and in the future. So until next video, I will see you.